Welcome to Bates Racing, and today we are going to Palm Beach Cars and Coffee. We're here with Florida Ram Truck Club, and this is Diamonds and Donuts. Rolling up to Tri-County Mopars. We're here at Tail of the Dragon. Today is Saturday, and I get to go down to Homestead Speedway to go racing.
A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Welcome to 2020, guys. Bates Racing. Now, I'm here to talk to you guys about 2020. 2019's been a good year for me. I've been able to go to some cool car shows, but it's only going to get better and better as long as you guys watch my channel. Now, I also hope to introduce merch at some point, but I need your guys' support on that. So I'm also still working on that. It's gonna be a while. We'll see how that goes. Now, about my channel and about 2020. This year is going to be awesome. I am going to drive cool cars. I am going to review cool cars. And I am going to go to the coolest events down here in South Florida. What's great about living here is the weather is almost always awesome. Other than rain. It never snows, it never gets super cold. It is a car guy's heaven. Besides the point. Now, this channel is about me and my adventures, but I want to include you guys in everything I do related to cars. That is why I got the new Bates Racing logo, and I want to introduce Bryce. Bates Racing YouTube channel and enthusiasts. The Bryce logo I plan on using for the more fun videos where I take a car that's not super duper expensive, something that just about anybody could get, and I go out and have a great time. Or when I'm going to a fun car show with a group of people, or I get invited to an event with some awesome people. It's a more social aspect of my channel. Now, the Bates Racing logo is going to indicate videos that are more related to professional things, higher end cars, car reviews, stuff like that. So this channel is going to grow. I cannot wait to introduce to you a project vehicle on this channel. Now, I haven't gotten it yet, so please leave your comments down below at what you think I should get. But I'm thinking about something under $10,000 that's already running and driving. And I kind of want to go on some road rallies, but I got to be able to keep up with the faster people. So some of you already know what I'm thinking about, but I haven't totally decided on that. So if you guys can help me out, let me know what you think I should drive for my more fun events and when I need something that's faster and sportier. As much as I love this truck, I do not want to take it on a road rally. I want to have it as a backup vehicle in case something goes wrong with a project vehicle. So, like I said, let me know what you think I should drive for the channel, and I will document every single step of the way with this truck, with that car that I don't even have yet. But I can't do it without you. I need your help. So please follow my journey into the car community that I have really only just recently started to join. I want to meet YouTubers, I want to drive cool cars, I want to drive fast cars. I want to entertain you and bring you along with me on my journey to becoming a car guy. I am not handy, but I will learn. I have not driven fast cars before. Well, before the event that my next video will be about. And I will do that this year. I will create partnerships. I want to introduce merchandise. And I hope you will join me on every step of my journey on YouTube and in the car community. So please do me a favor, subscribe and like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate it. Happy holidays to everybody else. Happy New Year to the world. 2020, here I come, and you better be ready. See you on the next one.